I would like to talk about commenting on Meta or Facebook so that you can earn from its content monetization program. Now, it so happened that most people would just say, hello, good morning, hi. One word sometimes is considered as spam on Meta. Now, you may not notice, but if you just look at your comments, no, for example, naa kay post, be it a video, a reel, or um, photo, when you look at your comment, you click on the comment, anya, mulinya na tanan comment, scroll na dito sa end, na ay ingon ana nga some comments were filtered. Filtered means di nimo makit-an kay ilahan nang gitago and that's not counted. So kinahanglan kung mag-comment gani mo, related gyud siya sa post. Kung naay nagkaon, it should be more than a word. So maybe 3 to 4 words. Okay, okay na, but related to the post. Ayaw lang pod mo ka ng good morning. Unya, why sumpay? Sumpay pod ninyo gamay because Meta wants comment to turn into conversations because they want you to build a community within your profile. Building a community means you turn comments into conversation. Magchismis ta, and then we build the community. Kay kadugayan ana, magistorya naman ta. So ang kanang inyuhang instead nga of i-chat ninyo, kung wala lang gyud na baka nang wala lay kuan dili lang confidential, himuan na lang na ninyo comment, diha na lang mo pag chat-chat, maka 0.01 pa mo. No? Mao nay secret. So layi gali ninyo karon sa inyong phone kanang naamoy daghan kay comments, no? Unya tan-awa dili tanan comment mugawas, dili tanan comment makit-an ninyo wag tang na siya. Ilahan nang it's either they hide or they remove but you cannot see it anymore. So better ang inyong i-comment itas-taas pud ninyo gamay, no?